Hello, good morning, students. Let us move back in the story and complete it. I'll just let you know what is that. It is the story of the child, okay? The lost child. The second part is left, and let us now complete the next part of the story, which is the most important secret, okay? When the child was expecting to sit in the roundabout, and he asked that I want to sit. You can see the last sentence here properly, okay? All of you, just see it. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, please, mother. Now, but the moment he saw that there was no reply, he turned to look at his parents. But unfortunately, what happened? Last time, what I explained, they were not there in front of him. That is, in front of him means ahead of him, neither on the left side or the right side. They were not there. He looked behind also. पीछे भी मुड़ के देखा, but they were not there. There was no sign of them. दूर दूर तक वो उनकी निशानी भी नजर नहीं आ रही थी, दिखाई नहीं दे रहे थे. Now what happens? A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood. A deep cry rose within his dry throat, means he was about to cry, and with a sudden jerk, that is to make the turn of his body, he ran from where he stood. Wherever he was standing, he started running from one to another place, crying in real fear. Now the fear was the real one, and he shouted only one thing: Mother, Father. Tears rolled down, tears came out from his eyes. He was feeling quite hot and fierce. How were the tears? They felt as if they were very hot and very, yes, annoying one, angry one. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. His whole face, that is, his whole cheeks and everything was converged with the fear, and all the tears were on his cheeks. पूरे चेहरे पर उसके आंसू निकल आए थे. Panic stricken, he was completely fearful. He ran to one side first, then to the other. He started running one side and then to the other, hither and thither, here and there, in all the directions. He started running from one direction to another directions, knowing not where to go. What was the confusion of the child? He was not knowing towards which particular direction he needs to run. And he shouted only one thing. He wailed. Wailed means to shout, to scream. He shouted only one word, that is, Mother, Father. His yellow turban came untied. A turban which was tied on his head, which was having the yellow color, it came untied. That means the whole turban was removed, and his clothes became muddy, filthy. Filthy means muddy. Please note down all the, yes, difficult words from the lesson. So how were his clothes? All his clothes became muddy, filthy. Having run to and fro in a rage of running for a while, उसे भागना था यहाँ से वहाँ, to and fro, hither and thither, okay, here and there, in a rage. Rage means getting annoyed, become very angry, of running for a while. बहुत देर तक भाग भाग के थक गया, वो गुस्से में आ गया. He stood defeated, means he was completely defeated now, means it was a kind of a race for him to find his parents, and so he lost all the hopes that he will be able to get his parents, and therefore writer says that he stood completely defeated. His cries suppressed into the sobs. The cry which he was uh, which he had, the tears and all that one, now it suppressed. Suppressed means to compress something into the sobs. हिचकिया देकर रोना, that is the way I spoke, is called as sobbing, okay. The small children especially sob after completing their crying. At little distances on the green grass he could see, okay, through his filmy eyes. Filmy means watery eyes. पानी से भरे हुए आंखों को filmy eyes कहते हैं. And at some distance there was a green grass specially grown on the field. He could see one thing. Which thing? Men and women talking. There are some men and women who are talking with each other. He tried to look intently, carefully among the patches, groups on the green grass in the garden. These people are sitting in the different groups. They are called here as a patches of bright yellow clothes, the same clothes which he saw while coming into the fair. But there was no sign of his father and mother among these people. But unfortunately, he did not see anybody among those people who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. इस सेंटेंस को ध्यान से समझना सब लोग. ये लोग हंसना चाहते थे इसलिए हंस रहे थे, बोलना चाहते थे इसलिए बोल रहे थे, just for the fun sake. He saw that they are just enjoying themselves by laughing and talking, yes, for the sake of laughing and talking only. Now, what happens after that? He ran quickly again. He started moving faster again. This time, he runs to a shrine. Shrine is an open temple which doesn't have any dome. खुला भगवान का मंदिर जो होता है, जिसके ऊपर कोई घूंघट नहीं होता है, ऐसे इस जगह को shrine कहते हैं. To which people seem to be crowding. And this is the place where the people were found in a huge group. That is a crowd. Now, every little inch of space here was congested. Means people were gathered in such a huge crowd that there was not a small inch of a space to walk between them. इनके बीच में से जाने के लिए थोड़ी भी जगह नहीं थी. Congested. Congested means it is so gathered together that you cannot enter that particular place. It's called as a congested. भीड़ भाड़ की जगह जिसे कहते हैं हम, that is congested with men. But what can the child do? But he ran through people's legs. क्या करे बेचारा, लोगों के पैरों के बीच में से कैसे वैसे नीचे से अंदर घुस के निकलने की कोशिश करता है. His little sob lingering. अब उसकी जो सॉबिंग है ऐसा करके रोने की, वो अब लगभग एक ही चीज मुंह से निकल रही है, मम्मी, पापा, where is my mother, where is my father? Now near the entrance to the temple, what did he see? Near the entrance, at the gate you can say. However, the crowd became very thick. जैसे जैसे वो गेट के पास जा रहा था, वैसे वैसे लोगों की भीड़ बढ़ती जा रही थी, ज्यादा लोग नजर आ रहे थे. Men jostle each other. To jostle means to push each other. Okay? खास करके भगवान के दर्शन के लिए लोग धक्का बुक्की करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. That is called as jostling. How were these men? They were heavy men with flashing and murderous eyes. एकदम हट्टे कट्टे लोग थे, very healthy one, with flashing as if shining. Okay, and murderous eyes. Why the writer is writing here murderous eyes? Because people are very annoyed or very angry to move to the main temple and to see the statue of the god. भगवान के दर्शन के लिए जैसे उनके आंखों में खून भरा हुआ हो. ओके, मर्डर कर देंगे किसी का या फिर किसी को रोंग देंगे ऐसे. And hefty shoulders, very strong shoulders, हट्टे कट्टे shoulders थे. Now, इनके बीच में एक छोटा सा लड़का. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet, but ये बच्चा बेचारा इन लोगों के पैरों के बीच में से कड़ी मेहनत से, to thrust, to find out the way, to search the path is called as to thrush. Okay, or to thrust a way, that is to find out or to search a way between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. लेकिन बेचारा उनके मूवमेंट्स की वजह से इधर से उधर क्या हो जाता है, धक्का बुक्की लग के यस आगे बढ़ नहीं पा रहा था. He might have been trampled underfoot. शायद बच्चा लोगों के पैरों के नीचे दबकर मर जाता अगर क्या नहीं करता वो. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, Father, Mother, ऐसा जोर से वो अगर चिल्लाया नहीं होता. Shrieking means to shout at a very sharp sound or in a very sharp manner, at a very highest pitch, in a very loud manner, whatever capacity was having, he put out his whole capacity to shout the word Father, Mother. And suddenly when he shouted, a man in the surging crowd, means the man who was moving in the same crowd was proceeding towards the temple, heard his cry. उस आदमी ने उसकी आवाज सुनी. And stooping with great difficulty, अब उस आदमी को भी नीचे झुकना इतना आसान नहीं था. Stoop means to bend down. विथ ग्रेट डिफिकल्टी, बड़ी तकलीफ से उसको बेंड होने का मौका मिला। और उस आदमी ने बच्चे को देखकर क्या सोचा, यार ये शायद गुम हो गया है। और उस आदमी ने क्या किया, he lifted him up in his arms, आखिर उसने अपने गोदी में उस बच्चे को उठा ही लिया। और एक पहला सवाल उस आदमी ने क्या पूछा, हाउ डिड यू गेट हियर चाइल्ड, तुम यहां पर कैसे आए, हुज बेबी आर यू, किसके बच्चे हो तुम, मम्मी पापा कहाँ है तुम्हारे। और जैसे ही मम्मी पापा के बारे में पूछा, द मैन asked as he stood clear of the mass, ये आदमी ने ये सब कब पूछा, जब उस आदमी ने उस भीड़ भाड़ से, उस मास से, उस क्राउड से बाहर निकलकर एक खुले मैदान में आकर उस बच्चे को जब ये सवाल किया, तो क्या हुआ, द चाइल्ड wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried one thing, I want my mother, I want my father। बच्चा और इस कड़वाहट भरे अंदाज में रोने लगा। अब तो पहले से भी ज्यादा रोने लग गया, क्योंकि उसे आशा की किरण मिल गई कि शायद मेरे पापा या मम्मी मिल जाएंगे। और एक ही इस रट लगा के रखी, कौन सी, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर, अंकल मुझे सिर्फ मेरी मम्मा चाहिए, मेरे पापा चाहिए। एंड नाउ द मैन ट्राइड टू सुथ हिम, टू कंसोल, उसे रोने से बंद करने की कोशिश करना, मनाने की कोशिश करना, टू कंसोल समवन by taking him to the roundabout। Let me clear it here before you continue the story। जैसे घुसा था मेले में, आखिरी जगह थी उसकी राउंड अबाउट, अब उल्टा जाएंगे, राउंड अबाउट से लेकर गेट तक जो जो आदमी उसको दिखे, जो जो इच्छा थी, वहां पर ये आदमी उसको लेके जाता है। लेकिन सवाल यह है, जब कोई उसको ये सब कुछ देने को तैयार था, तो अब उसकी इच्छा क्यों मर गई थी। ओके, जब उसकी इच्छा थी, when he expected, at that time he had the thoughts of his parents that they will not complete his ideas, they will not get him buy all those things, वो सब उसे खरीद के नहीं देंगे, ऐसे उसको मम्मी पापा के बारे में पता था। लेकिन इस बार उल्टा हो रहा है, जो आदमी उसे सब कुछ पूछ रहा है, क्या बेटा तुम राउंड अबाउट में यस बैठना चाहोगे, विल यू हैव अ राइड ऑन द हॉर्स, हॉर्स मींस हियर वो लकड़ी के बने होते हैं ना, जिसमें डोरी बंधी होती है और जिसके ऊपर हम बैठते हैं और फिर गोल गोल घूमता है, that is the horse here, not the real horse here। क्या तुम उस घोड़े पर राउंड अबाउट में बैठना चाहोगे। क्या किया बच्चे ने, he gently asked as he approached the ring, उसने एकदम पोलाइटली पूछा था बच्चे को, जैसे वो रिंग के पास पहुंचा था, उसने पोलाइटली बच्चे को पूछा, क्या तुम इसके ऊपर बैठना चाहोगे, would you like to sit on the horse, would you like to take a ride on the horse। and now what is the reaction, the child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs, ऐसा करके रोने लगा। दैट इज टोर इनटू 1,000 श्रिल, हजारों हिचकियां या फिर यस सिसकियां देना, रोने के बाद सिसकियां देते ना, तो उसे हजारों सिसकियां आ गई कि मुझे यस सिर्फ मेरी मम्मी चाहिए, मेरे पापा चाहिए, मुझे घोड़े पे नहीं बैठना है अंकल प्लीज। एंड ही only shouted the same thing। Now what happens, see the condition, you can see it in the picture, all these things are shown by that man, he is not his father, that man is not his father। Now the man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra। अभी भी यस वो सफेरा वहां पर खेल खेल रहा था, स्नेक चार्मर था, अभी भी वो फ्लूट बजाकर कोबरा को नचा रहा था। और उस आदमी ने पूछा, द मैन आस्क्ड हिम अ क्वेश्चन, लिसन टू दैट नाइस म्यूजिक चाइल्ड, क्या तुम उस अच्छे म्यूजिक को सुनना चाहोगे, he requested, he pleaded। now what did the child do, but the child shut his ears, कान बंद कर लिए बेचारे ने, नहीं सुनना है अंकल मुझे, उंगलियों से उसने कान में उंगली डालकर ऐसे बंद करके रखे। एंड शाउटेड हिज डबल पिच स्ट्रेंथ, दुगनी ताकत लगाकर चिल्लाया, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, प्लीज अंकल, मुझे सिर्फ मुझे मम्मी और पापा चाहिए, मुझे किसी चीज को सुनना नहीं है। अब आदमी बेचारा जो जो हो सकता है उससे वो पूछ रहा है। नाउ द मैन टुक हिम नियर द balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. क्या किया? शायद बलून के रंगी बिरंगीन कलर्स देख के मन शायद उसका यस मम्मी पापा से थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, अलग हो जाएगा। यस, आप कभी कभी भटक जाते हैं ना, उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करना बोलता है। बच्चे का ध्यान शायद यस मम्मी पापा से निकलकर बलून्स में खो जाएगा और शायद उसे वो चुप करा सकता है, क्वाइटन हिम, टू मेक समवन क्वाइट। और उस आदमी ने एक सवाल किया, वुड यू लाइक अ रेनबो कलर्ड बलून? क्या तुम रेनबो कलर के बलून लेना चाहोगे? ही persessively asked, persessively as if going to collect it and hand it over to the child. Okay, जैसे आशा की किरण के साथ पूछना, with a hope, okay, in a polite way. What did the child do? The child turned his eyes. देखना भी नहीं चाहता इस बार, तो बलून को नहीं देखना है अंकल मुझे. So the child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed the same thing. I want my mother, I want my father. मुझे सिर्फ मेरी मम्मी, मेरे पापा चाहिए अंकल, प्लीज. The man still trying to make the child happy. उस आदमी ने सोचा, चलो इस बच्चे को थोड़ा सा खुश कराने की कोशिश करते हैं. So what did he do? He bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Bore, to bear something. Okay, to carry somewhere. That is called as to, yes, bear something. Bear him to the gate, to carry him to the gate. जहां पर कौन बैठा था अभी? फ्लावर सेलर. कौन सा फ्लावर सेलर था? गुलमोर. ओके, साल में एक ही बार खिलता है. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? देखो तो सही, कितने खूबसूरत फूल हैं. क्या तुम उनको स्मेल करना चाहोगे? क्या तुम उसकी वो माला पहनना चाहोगे? Would you like a garland to put around your neck? गले में वो गार्लैंड पहनना चाहोगे? ये सब उसने पूछने की कोशिश की थी अपने मॉम डैड को, लेकिन पूछा नहीं था. पूछने की इच्छा थी, बट ही डिड नॉट आस्क. और अब पूछा जा रहा है, तो वो इनमें से कोई चीज नहीं चाहता. बेचारे को सवेरे से लेकर कितने बजे तक भूखा प्यासा छोटा सा, है ना, सब कुछ चाहता था लेकिन नहीं मिल रहा था. और अब मिल रहा था तो उसकी इच्छा नहीं थी. अब क्या होता है? The child turned his nose away from the basket. बच्चे ने बास्केट की तरफ से अपना मुंह मोड़ लिया, ऐसा मुंह घुमा लिया. And reiterated his sob. Again started, again continue. वापस सॉबिंग्स करते हुए एक ही रट लगाई, एक ही डिमांड थी उसकी. अंकल, I want my mother, I want my father. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets. उस आदमी ने सोचा, थोड़ा सा इसको हंसा के देखते हैं, हंसाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, डिसकंसोलेट, जो नाराज हुआ जो बच्चा है, ओके, जो कंसोल नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो डिसकंसोलेट जो हो चुका है, ओके, इस डिसकंसोलेट चार्ज, जो उसकी नाराजगी को चार्ज कर सकता है, बाय अ गिफ्ट ऑफ स्वीट्स. सोचा कि शायद स्वीट्स देने के बाद ये खुश हो जाएगा, उसकी नाराजगी निकल जाएगी. What did the man do? The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. जो सबसे पहली उसकी इच्छा थी, स्वीट मीट सेलर के पास. एग्री? He wanted to purchase the most favorite sweet बर्फी. वो खाना चाहता था शुरुआत में लेसन के, और वही चीज एंड में लेसन के वो आदमी पूछता है. ओके, काउंटर पे गया. What sweets would you like, child? इनमें से कौन से स्वीट्स खाना चाहते हो तुम? बोलो. He asked. बच्चे ने क्या किया आखिरी में? The child turned his face from the sweet shop. स्वीट शॉप की तरफ देख रहा था, उसने ऐसा मुंह मोड़ लिया, and only sobbed one sentence. I want my mother, I want my father. Here the story ends. Now you will be shocked. Sir, did the child go to his parents? क्या उसको उसके पेरेंट्स मिले? क्या वो खोज पाए? स्टोरी में तो ऐसा लिखा नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि वो बच्चा आज नहीं तो कल मिला होगा अपने पेरेंट्स को. अगर मिला होगा तो कैसे, हाउ, you have to prove it. Or if not, then the title which is given by Indian writer Mulk Raj Anand is absolutely suitable. बहुत suitable title है, The Lost Child, because the child is really lost in the story, and therefore the title is very very suitable. Now, after the lesson, you always have the doubts regarding question answers. I already mentioned it earlier. You can collect any of the guidebooks, try to read them, and write the answers in your own words. खुद के शब्दों में आप आंसर लिख सकते हो. The more you write in your own words, the more good habit will be there for you for the coming board exams. Okay, there are 5 questions in that. Okay, there are twisted questions which you can find them out in any one of the guides, such as all-in-one में भी हो सकता है, camp publication book is also there, and some other books are there. Just read them and try to write the answers in your own words. Now, talk about it. How to ensure not to get lost. आप कैसे ensure कर सकते हो कि आप खो ना जाओ? ओके, इसके ऊपर चर्चा करनी है आपको. हाउ टू एंश्योर, कैसे आपकी गारंटी होनी चाहिए कि आप खो ना जाओ, इसलिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए, कौन सी चीजों को, विच थिंग्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर प्रॉपरली. डोंट बिकम स्टर्बन, जिद्दी मत बन जाओ कभी कभी, और समझने की कोशिश करनी होती है कि आप कुछ चीजों को ना ही एक्सपेक्ट करो, दैट विल बी फार बेटर फॉर यू. Okay, so think about the question and which are the different things you can mention if you are not going to, yes, be away from your parents, what you need to do. कैसे आपको याद रखना चाहिए कि कैसे आपको वापस घर तक कैसे पहुंचा जा सकता है, इसके लिए आपको क्या प्लानिंग्स करनी चाहिए. what are the different plannings, what are the landmarks, which lane you crossed, from where to where you go, from where to where you have to go back. कैसे वापस जाने की नौबत अगर आ जाए, खो जाता है, how you need to do all these things in your own way. There are beautiful books also written by the same author. Okay, The Coolie, on which the movie is also made. The Coolie नाम की, अमिताभ बच्चन जी की, by मुल्क राज आनंद, इसके ऊपर मूवी बनाई गई है. Then कबूली वाला, it's a beautiful story written by रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. मैं चाहूंगा कि जब भी आपको फुर्सत मिले, प्लीज बुक्स को रीड करो. more you read the books, more you understand the different situations, और ऐसी situations आपके लिए काम में आ सकते हैं. It may be good for you in the coming future also. Okay, you are given the homework, a very short homework, and one more thing, ये जो last question है, okay, आपको क्या करना है, रीडिंग करने के बाद इनमें से कोई भी बुक पढ़ लीजिए, और आपकी कॉम्पो की जो बुक है उसमें स्टोरी राइटिंग में स्टोरी ऑफ कबूली वाला बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर या फिर द कुली बाय मुल्क राज आनंद, इन दोनों में से एनी वन स्टोरी you have to prepare it and try to write it down in your essay writing notebook. Okay, still if you have any doubts regarding any of the question answers, you can contact me or try to send the messages in the group that, sir, I am unable to get the answer of the following question. If you are not ready to find it out, then you will not get it, but you have to find it out. Please try to find out the answers, and then if any doubt is created, concern me for the matter. Is it clear? And here the story of the lost child ends. So let me complete the session today itself, then we'll move in the next session with the grammar section, where we will study the transformation of sentences first. Okay, affirmative, negative, and all the other type of the sentences which are very important for you in the coming exam. So please complete your notebook in time, and whenever it will be demanded in the school, please bring your notebook so that it can be checked out, and then thereafter whatever marks are there, whatever internal marks are there, they can be added in your, yes, exams also for your final results. Okay, have a nice day all of you. Thank you.